So we've talked about the product rule. I think this time we'll talk about the power rule. So the power rule you need to use when you see something to an exponent inside brackets to an exponent. And what you do is you multiply whatever the exponents are. 2 times 2 will be equal to 4. I can prove to you that this works because x squared squared, that's just something squared. So it's the thing multiplied by itself. The thing was actually x squared, and you know that from the product rule of exponents, when you have something to an exponent, times, that's times, right, not the variable x, something to an exponent, all you need to do is add the exponents. We get x to the power of 2 plus 2, which is also equal to 4. This also works if you have numbers. Let's say we had 6 squared cubed. That would be 6 to the power of 2 times 3, which would be 6 to the power of 6. If you had the square root of 5 to the power of 2, the square root of 5 is the same as 5 to the exponent of 1 over 2 times 2, sorry, not times 2, to the exponent of 2, and that would be 5 to the 1 over 2 times 2. A half times 2 is just equal to 1, so that would be equal to 5 to the power of 1, which is the same as 5. You might have something like x cubed y to the 4th. Let's make that 2 x cubed y to the 4th to the power of 3. This exponent of 3 applies to the y to the 4th, the x cubed, and the whole number 2. So this is really 2 to the power of 1, x to the power of 3, y to the power of 4th, cubed. 1 times 3 will be 3, so this will be 2 cubed. 3 times 3 will be 9, so it'll be x to the power of 9, and 3 times 4 will be 12. So we would have y to the power of 12. Let's say you had x over y squared cubed. That would be x over y to the 2 times 3, which would be x over y to the power of 6.